Hi there. This tutorial is for Strap Design clients wishing to update their front banner image using the Slider Revolution plugin. So I'm just going to update or show you how to update the main hero image on the front of your website. It's really easy. I'm just going to update this image here for this current website that I'm working on. So the first thing we do is log into the back end of the site. Now your view will be a little bit different to mine, as I have a super administrator account and I have a few more options, but the general layout will be relatively the same. So now that we're logged into the back end, you'll see on the left hand side we've got this menu. So the front banner image is run by a WordPress plugin called Slider Revolution. So we want to click on that. It's a great plugin just because it's really simple to use and really easy to update the slides. Okay, so on this particular website you can see that we have two Revolution slider galleries that are running at the moment. This first one is our home slider, so we're going to hit the edit button. Okay, so now we're into the main screen where we actually edit our slider. You can see that our slider on the front page is made up of 5 slides, each with their own properties, text, and background images. So let's just say we want to update this very first slide. By default, it's already selected, so we just have to scroll down and we can see the slide in its entirety and what it's going to look like in this window down here. Down below that, and I'd advise not to play around with this because it is a little bit finicky, you have a timeline as to when things appear and disappear on the slider. Above that, you can change the main background image. There are some general settings like setting delays, pausing the slider, changing the looping of the slider. Again, if this is already set up for you, I'd advise not playing with it. You've got the thumbnail, which you don't need to touch. Slide animations, so you can choose the different transitions between the slides. I would advise not touching that one, and that's it essentially. So go back to the main background. If we want to update that image, all we do is we go into the main background image, make sure it's selected, hit the change image button. This will take us to the media library for the site, where we can choose the new background image. So let's just say we want to make our new background image this image right here. So we select it, we hit insert, and then if we scroll down the page, you'll see that our main image has changed. All you have to do is go up the top here and hit save slide, and that will automatically update. Really easy to do. It can get a bit complicated if you go into the other settings, But if you just stick with changing out the main image slider, you should be fine. And that concludes the tutorial for changing the hero image on your site. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at info@strat.design. Thank you.